Suspending the use of the AstraZeneca vaccine while investigations are carried out into 4 new reports of blood clotting.
But there is a concern which the European Medical Agency has raised because of the fact that a few days after vaccination, I think the number is around 22 individuals had some clotting.
But these reports from Norway and several other countries have included what they call thrombolytic events, clots, skin bleeds and so on. Now it's important to say there have been around 30 of those events across Europe, and that's out of 5 million Europeans getting the jab. The European Medicines Agency, the European regulator and the World Health Organization have said there's no evidence to establish a link between getting the vaccine and these thrombolytic events.
People have been vaccinated in millions across the world and AstraZeneca has been used extensively. We haven't seen any such signals.
And Italy have become the latest countries to suspend use of the Oxford AstraZeneca jab over concerns about blood clots. The moves come as the World Health Organization appealed to governments not to pause vaccination campaigns. Germany's health ministry said its suspension took effect immediately. Earlier, the Republic of Ireland and the Netherlands made a similar decision, despite the World Health Organization saying there is no indication of a link between the vaccine and blood clots.